New exclusive video that we have actually obtained here in the North Texas area, a Lake Dallas home explosion. We welcome you in. I'm Steve Pickett. The warning, some viewers may find this video difficult to watch. That is doorbell camera video capturing the moment that a house exploded, critically injuring a woman inside. This happened last month. Investigators say a gas leak caused that blast. I-Team reporter Brian New live in Lake Dallas tonight. Brian, you've uncovered how that pipe actually failed and was essentially supposed to be removed from that house, I understand, what, decades ago?
Yeah, right, Steve. Right back here, this is what's left of that house. The homeowner was actually inside at the time when it exploded. The roof collapsed on her, trapping her. We saw neighbors rush over, pulling her out, likely saving her life. Atmos says the leak came from a pipe just right back there. It was a type of pipe that Atmos thought was no longer underground, but we found state records had ordered it removed decades ago.
As Atmos crews replace gas lines as they test to ensure nothing else is leaking in this neighborhood, neighbors are asking the same questions.
What if we have an explosion like that in our house?
That concern is spreading.
You don't know what's broken, what's leaking into what. Gas through the soil, gas into sewage, gas in the water.
And it's not just how did this happen, it's how did this happen again? The year was 1997, same Lake Dallas neighborhood. A woman lights a cigarette in her bedroom and dies when leaking gas ignites. Federal investigators blamed a brittle crack in a plastic gas pipe. The next year, federal safety officials warned older plastic gas pipes could crack without warning. Back in the late 1960s and early 70s, gas companies switched from metal to plastic. It was seen as modern and safer. But those early plastic pipes called Poly 1 were not. A 2004 Texas Railroad Commission report found problems with Poly 1 pipes surfaced almost immediately, as early as 1971. Over the next 3 decades, state investigators linked multiple North Texas explosions to that same type of pipe. In 2000, state regulators ordered the gas company at the time, TXU, to remove all Poly 1 pipe. But TXU told regulators it didn't know how much of that pipe was underground, so it dug over 100,000 test holes trying to find and remove it all. When Atmos took over the system in 2004, company officials say they were told the pipe installed in Lake Dallas in the early 70s was gone. But now Atmos says it appears a short section was missed.
In my backyard, I saw the explosion.
Eliana Saavedra lives just a few houses away and says it easily could have been her home.
I'm worried because, like I said, it could happen to anybody in this neighborhood. Seeing all the holes, I'm like, they had a lot of issues or they're trying to fix everything that they think is wrong.
Atmos tells us anytime it finds this type of pipe, it removes it. We did ask the company just how many times this has happened since it acquired the system in 2004. The company hasn't said, but they did tell us they don't believe that there is any more of this type of pipe here in Lake Dallas. However, Steve, they are going back and looking at those removal efforts just to see if anything can be improved.